99. GA English X9. G. Food vendors. Food vendors into a magical world. Behind me are the legendary pyramids of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. It's hard to believe these were built over 4,500 years ago. The scale is massive, and the energy here is just unreal. Nothing beats Tamea by the Nile at sunset. This Egyptian falafel is made with fava beans instead of chickpeas. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Pure magic. And that view? Wow. I've got a serious sweet tooth today. Basbousa, kunafa, each bite is syrupy, crunchy, and heavenly. Street food in Egypt doesn't just fill your stomach, it fills your heart.
Pay.